Hello all. So today let's discuss what are the things expected to be the Apple Event 2021. As we all know that the Apple Siri has leaked the date of Apple event. Also on 13th April, Apple officially announced about the spring loaded event that is going to be held on April 20th of 2021 at 10 am Pacific time. This event is going to be held in the Steve Jobs Theater that is located at the Apple Park, California. Keeping the current pandemic situation as consideration, Apple is going to hold this event as virtually. So, according to the strongest rumors, let's check it out what are all the products that Apple is going to launch in this spring loaded event. Firstly, one of the strongest rumor is all about the all new iPad Mini Pro. This iPad Mini Pro could be likely sport with 8.7-inch display without any Touch ID home buttons. According to the leaksters, iPad Mini comes with mini LED display, but it's not clear of what the iPad Mini could get possible upgrades when it compared to the current models. Along with these, there could be also chances of having a low-cost iPad Mini of 10.2-inch display with a thinner built-up body as same as the iPad 3. After all this, there is a news that Apple is working on the AirPods 3, which gives a similar look like AirPods Pro, but without silicone tips and also with a smaller stem. Also, there are having a low chances of this AirPods launch in the spring event. Most likely, we can expect the AirPods third generation in the fall. Apple could also likely to announce the release date of iOS 14.5 in this April Apple event. So, moving forward, Apple is designing a new and revamped iMacs with the thinner bezels and with their own chipsets, as same as their latest MacBook models. There is no official announcement dates about this iMacs, but possibly we can expect this in this spring loaded event. So finally, AirTags, the most anticipated product from the Apple. Also from the longer time, Apple is also working on these AirTags. The main agenda of AirTags is for Bluetooth tracking. So let's wait until this April 20th and see what are all the surprises the Apple is going to give their fans.